People are walking around with tiny stickers on their arms, hoping the fat just evaporates through their pores. It sounds like something out of a low-budget science fiction movie, yet these weight loss patches are flooding the market. The promise is incredibly seductive. You just peel off a backing, slap a little patch on your stomach, and wait for the pounds to melt away. No gym, no kale salads, no sweat. It feels like a magic trick because it essentially is one. When you look at the science, the whole thing starts to fall apart. Human skin is designed to keep things out. That is its primary job. It is a protective barrier, not a sponge waiting to soak up metabolic miracles. Even if these patches contain caffeine or herbal extracts, getting those compounds through the dermis is hard. They need to hit the bloodstream in high concentrations to burn fat. Most medical experts are shaking their heads at this stuff. They point out that there is zero solid evidence that transdermal delivery works for weight loss. It is not just about the delivery method either. The ingredients themselves are often just basic vitamins or plant extracts. You could find these in any cheap supplement. Even if you swallowed them, they would not magically dissolve fat overnight. But putting them on a sticker, that is a whole new level of marketing optimism. Then you have the regulatory side of things. It is essentially the Wild West. These products are not held to the same standards as actual medicine. You have no real way of knowing what is in that adhesive. You do not know if the concentration of ingredients matches what is on the box. It is a massive gamble with your skin and your wallet. Speaking of skin, plenty of people are reporting rashes. The glue used in these patches can cause serious irritation. It turns out that keeping a chemical-soaked adhesive on your body for hours is not great for you. Beyond the physical side effects, the business tactics are equally sketchy. We see the same pattern over and over again. High-pressure sales tactics. Fake testimonials from people who look like they have never struggled with their weight. Countdown timers that reset every time you refresh the page. These are all psychological triggers. They are designed to make you act before you think. If a simple sticker could replace a healthy lifestyle, it would be the biggest medical breakthrough in human history. Every doctor on the planet would be prescribing them. They would be front-page news every single day. Instead, they are sold in the dark corners of the internet. Real weight loss is a slow, grueling process. It involves changing habits and listening to your body. It is hard work. It is frustrating. But it is also rewarding. A little patch offers a shortcut that simply does not exist. It preys on the desire for an easy answer to a complex problem. You deserve better than a cheap adhesive strip. These things promise the world and deliver nothing but a sticky residue on your skin. Save your money. Invest it in something that supports your health. Buy real food or a good pair of walking shoes. The only thing these patches are guaranteed to make lighter is your bank account. It is time to stop falling for the hype. Start looking at the reality of how our bodies function. True change comes from within. It does not come from a sticker you bought during a late-night scrolling session.